Hello friends, here is a program of division of two hexadecimal number stored in memory location and to store their quotient and remainder in again memory location. So our program statement is write an ALP to divide hexadecimal number stored at 8000 hex by a number stored at 8001 hex, stored quotient at 8002 hex and remainder at 8003 hex. So friend, the number which is to be get divided is in 8000 hex. So we have to bring this number in accumulator and the another number, that is 8001 hex, that should be get subtracted from this first number, because there is no direct instruction of 8085 which will perform division. So here we perform division using multiple times subtraction. For that purpose, first we check the data, that is our dividend should be greater than divisor, otherwise our quotient should be 0 and remainder should be dividend. So here is the coding of the program. As earlier I told to you, you have to draw algorithm, you have to write algorithm and draw flowchart by yourself. Just I am giving coding for this. So starting with 2000 hex memory location, the first instruction is LXIH 8000 hex. So we will initialize the memory 8000 hex and that is dividend that we will initialize for memory. Next is MVIC 00 hex. So here we are setting a counter for quotient. So this C will indicates the quotient of the division. Okay. Then move A comma M, that is 8000 hex data will move to accumulator. Now we increment the memory, that is now memory becomes 8001 hex, INX H 8001 hex. So after incrementing memory, we compare the data in memory with accumulator CMP M. And look here friends, we are writing label loop over here because we have to compare this, make comparing this again and again and again. So I am writing loop over there as a label. So this comparison between memory and accumulator, why? Because if dividend is less than divisor, then there is no need of division. Directly we can write quotient and remainder. So compare, and then we write jump on carry JC escape. So escape label is at, you can look here at the downwards 2010 memory location. What it will do, that is if no carry is there, then what program should do, it will increment the memory, so it becomes 8003 hex. Then quotient should be 00 because we are initializing C00 hex, that will go to memory, and then after incrementing memory we are moving accumulator to memory, that is the remainder, work as a reminder. Okay. So if carry is not present, that is there is no carry, then it shows that accumulator is greater than memory, that is dividend is greater than divisor. Hence we perform subtraction, subtract M. It will subtract divisor from the dividend and increment the content of C, that is INR C. So it will increase the quotient. Getting? So if quotient, then we have to jump back to loop. So again after subtraction it will compare new accumulator with memory content, that is 8001 content, and if memory content is again greater, then it go to escape, otherwise it will subtract and increment the register C. This will happen again and again till accumulator goes low than the memory 8001 hex, and when it goes low we directly store the quotient C into next memory, that is 8003 hex, and remainder, that is accumulator data, in next memory. Then we will restart the processor. Thank you.